Hello, welcome to another X3D Raw tutorial. In this class, we'll see how to quickly and effectively make a realistic grass or lawn, the type of lawn used in residential outdoor gardens, well cut and watered. Something that looks pretty, believable, and well textured, and that doesn't look like a simple green rug. Okay, let's start with this. The best way to make the lawn is by first making the grass fragments yourself, and then using a particle system or a geometry distribution tool. In this grass particle system, I only use 75,000 units, but in this exercise we'll use bigger numbers. The whole process of geometry modeling and distribution takes a lot of time and effort. But guess what? Today is our lucky day, because a good friend of mine already took care of doing all the heavy lifting for us. Now we just have to download a file on a web page and use it in our project, and bang, we've got it! Okay, let's start with this tutorial and you'll see how. Create a new scene and delete the initial cube. Append something into the project, like a car or a truck, so the tutorial doesn't get boring. Now we're gonna add a plane under the vehicle. Shift A, Mesh, Plane. In the menu below, give it 8 meters. Press 7 on your keyboard's calculator and go to the floor plan. And let's scale the plane on the X-axis. More or less like this. Now, download the file. Open up your browser and go to x3draw.com and do a search for grass lawn and hit enter. Click on this article and download the file. Now, let's add the file to the scene. File, Append, find the file, Realistic Grass Assistance, Append, Particle System, and add the grass number 5. This is the one I like most. Append. Select the plane, go to the particle path, add a new system, click here and add grass 05. The plane fills with grass to a base number of 6,000 units. We're gonna modify this number and put, for example, 100,000 units. As you can see, the viewport becomes slow and unmanageable because of the large amount of geometry. To fix this, we have to go to the viewport display section of the particles. In Display As, select None, and the viewport restores the speed. The grass will still be visible in the render, but not on the viewport. Let's change the renderer to cycles. Sampling of 32 and 8. Activate adaptive sampling. Activate denoising in the render only. In light paths, in clamping, put a number of 0.98 in direct light. If you render the scene in the viewport, you'll notice that the grass doesn't appear, since we select None in viewport display. Change dimensions of the render to 1280 and 720. In the camera view, fill the scene for a good view. And now, render. As you can see, the lawn looks very good, well cut and clean, as for a residential garden. Do this exercise again, experimenting with the other types of grass that come inside the file, so you can know what they look like. I hope you liked this tutorial. See you again in the next class. Bye!